How does this look? Don't tell me that doesn't look delicious. Let's make this incredible chicken dinner in just an hour. If you're trying to make a quick dinner in just under an hour, you probably don't have time to watch a long video. So let's jump right into it. Stick around until the end of the video. I'm going to be sharing some pro tips on how to elevate your game and meal just that much more. First things first, get your oven set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and let it start preheating. To spice the chicken, you're just going to need complementary ingredients. I'm using some cumin, oregano, paprika. I had some fresh chopped coriander in my fridge, I'm gonna use that too, and some black pepper. Mix it nice and well in a bowl. Now let's peel and chop some garlic. I don't understand recipes that say use 1 or 2 cloves. Go crazy, 5 to 6 cloves. Let's make it simple, 1 per chicken. And I'm gonna be using chicken legs in this recipe. Cut an onion up into nice and thick chunks, and now salt the chicken before mixing it in with the other spices. Get it all into a bowl, add your spices, add your garlic, add your onions, and mix it well. Get your hands dirty. You'll wash them after. You want every nook and cranny of the chicken completely covered. To get a little bit more flavor, squeeze in a full lemon's worth of lemon juice, which is about 4 to 5 tablespoons of concentrate. Now mix it really, really well. Like I mentioned, every nook and cranny needs to be covered with that blend. Let me know in the comments section what spices you like to use, what you have in your pantry, and what you think goes well with chicken. And while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up. The next step, a little bit of oil goes on an aluminum tray and layer everything on. Ooh, that smells delicious. I love the smell of garlic. Something about it is just so garlicky and good. Okay, enough of that. I promised in an hour, so let's keep an eye on the time. It's been 15 to 20 minutes for the prep so far. That leaves us 40 minutes left. Your oven should have dinged saying that it's preheated and ready to go. So get the chicken in the oven and set the timer for 30 minutes. Now that you have 30 minutes to kill, go ahead and check out some of our other incredible recipes, like these Miami ribs. I made them in the air fryer. They came out delicious. All right, the timer is done. It's dinged. Time to get the bad boy out of the oven. Now look at that incredible results. Oh, that smell. I love the smell of chicken when it's cooked. The whole house smells incredible. Now, you can jump right in and enjoy. Or you can elevate it just that much more by letting it rest. Just 10 minutes. It'll be worth the wait. 10 minutes. And then you can go to town and enjoy. Now, if you were keeping track of the time, that's 15 to 20 minutes for the prep, 30 minutes for the cook, 10 minutes for resting. That's 1 hour chicken dinner as promised. And now let's jump into the pro tips. The first tip I'm going to share. Before salting or seasoning or spicing it, get a paper towel and pat dry the chicken well. That will help the skin get nice and crispier. Any moisture creates a steaming effect, which is not the same as when it's dry. The second tip, salt your chicken before adding in any spices, rub, or marinade, and make sure the salt gets under the skin as well. Now leave it for 30 minutes to up to 2 hours and let that salt penetrate deeper into the meat. This will help get a much more flavorful and tastier end result. The next tip, let the marinade or the spices also sit for about 30 minutes to 2 hours, but this is assuming that you have more than an hour to make dinner. The longer the flavor sits on the chicken, the deeper they penetrate, the better and richer the flavor becomes. Fourth, pro tip, when baking it, leave it uncovered. When you cover anything in the oven, the moisture gets trapped inside, which creates a steaming effect. That's not what we're going for, especially if you want that skin to end up being crispy. And the final pro tip, the resting time and period. Why is it so crucial? Let your chicken, let whatever meat you're cooking rest for a little bit of time. In this case, just 10 minutes. What ends up happening is the juices redistribute throughout the meat. So at the end, your meat will end up juicier and way more delicious. All right, guys, that's the recipe. Those are some pro tips. That's all I have for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave us some feedback in the comment section down below. And if you like this content, subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell and get notified of all the awesome videos that we have coming out regularly. When you subscribe to Impossibly Kosher, you're getting authentic, classic, incredible recipes delivered to you that are 100% kosher. All right, guys, see you in the next one.